Man, what do you do when there is a breakdown in communication? Well, hello, welcome. If you don't know who I am, my name is Arica Angelo, and I am the CEO and founder of the Arica Angelo Intimacy Experience. We are all about the intimacy here. But sometimes relationships do not feel so intimate, especially when there's a breakdown in communication. Now, this can take out the best of couples. I'm talking about couples who are therapists, been in therapy, have amazing relationships. So what do you do when that communication is just completely broken down? You know what it looks like. You're both pissed off. You're both fuming. It's like no matter how much you yell, nothing gets resolved, which means each of you will be sleeping on the opposite end of the bed that night. And we don't want that. We want you both making love. So this is what we're gonna do to turn it around. I'll never forget getting some of the best advice from a girlfriend, and she said this, that when her and her husband had a huge disagreement, they would always touch. Meaning you hold hands, you go hold one another, somehow you establish that physical touch. Why? Because it reminds us on the inside, when our brains are just going to war, it reminds us on the inside that, hey, we're still connected. Right now, we may want to kill each other, but deep down, we love each other and we're connected. So we're going to figure this thing out. So with that, it's taking your partner, holding them by the hand and going, just establishing some form of touch, or even just a silent bear locking hug, just to remind one another that you're in this to win this together. Now, this is really practical, and it's something that me and my love do, and I tell you what, it's really prevented those arguments from being overly exacerbated. We always play soft music in the background. That's right. Something very light, classical, something that will kind of just set the atmosphere, set the mood. There's something very compelling about hearing music going on in the background that really disarms all of that anger and all of that tension and creates a soothing atmosphere for conflict to be resolved. And the third step is, hello, you have to talk. That's why it's a breakdown in communication. But here's the thing about what you want to talk about. Each of you have two different stories going on. She has her story, he has his story of what happened, of what they experienced, of what they think you think, of what they think you did. It's your responsibility, each of your responsibility, to create a safe space for both sides to have their story shared. So you have to stop, pause, breathe, connect back to yourself and realize, hey, they are having a total different experience than what I'm having. And all my partner wants is to be heard right now. And so you create that safe space by, when you want to go, but, hold the but back, stop, listen, and hear what they're saying, and then allow your partner to do the same, and ask your partner to do the same for you. So make sure that you touch, play some soft music to disarm your very aggressive, intense atmosphere. And 3, hold space with your communication. Understand that you both have two very different stories, and you're really just trying to create a safe container for both stories to be heard, to get some resolve through understanding. Hey, if this video helped you out, I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and tell your friends about me as well. Also, if you'd go to my website, aricaangelo.com, there are so many topics there that will speak directly to your relationship, and I want you to go check it out right now.